All right, so it's cameraman working on cameraman's rig right now. And you know, the main guy ain't here, but we're gonna slap these bad Johnnies on here. And it's gonna be sick, of course. I don't know how to do this without him. We pulled the wheel. I don't know why I started there. Right now, we're working on these. Got these factory ones soaking, hoping we don't break off one of these bolts. Yeah, I'm just gonna prop you guys up and kind of work through this, and if there's any tips I need to let you know, I'll stop the video and let you know. All right, we're back. It's been like a week since I put the headers on. I finally got them installed. And this side, I have snapped a bolt off. I don't know if y'all can see that. Snapped a bolt off in there. So the gasket was bad, so I had to replace the gasket, but now there's no leaks. And I like the way it sounds. It sounds rowdy, it sounds mean. And my fault. For me, the biggest problem was the Y pipe and trying to mount it up, because it was just being a pain, which now that I know, like now that I've done it and understand, the Y pipe wouldn't be a problem anymore. Like this side went on flawlessly, no problems. It looked good. Then I came around to the passenger side and it wasn't lining up for me. So all I really needed was just a little help, you know, because I was trying to do this by myself in the shop after everyone left, and I was just struggling. But once I got the bolts on, I just took the impact and impacted all the way down, and it slowly but surely tightened up. At first I was trying to beat it back in place because I thought, you know, it wasn't going to line up and there was going to be a gap. But no, it sits right, and yeah, I think they sound pretty good. I like the color they're turning. I think they're turning a pretty cool color. Right here, I just put some like heat wire, because you know these are close, and I don't want them to burn and melt, because you know the headers get really hot. But yeah, I think it sounds pretty mean. And up front, we don't have any exhaust leaks. So yeah, that's it. That is how you install. I don't even know if this is gonna be a how you install video, but that was me putting headers on my 5.2 Magnum in my Durango for some reason.